Hi, my name is Scott Sokol, and my talk presentation is on the Taj Mahal. The story of the Taj Mahal reads like a fairy tale. From a mysterious land, two people fell in love, tragically became separated by death, and finally reunited after many long years of spending a fortune to build the greatest monument the world has seen. From this story, we have an architectural masterpiece that is listed among the new wonders of the world. The Mughals ruled most of northern India during the early 1600s when the Taj Mahal was built. Since the early 1500s, the Mughals, who were Muslim, have been recognized for their ability to rule India as a united state of both Muslims and Hindus through political and religious tolerance policies. During their reign, they amassed enormous wealth. At the height of the Mughal dynasty was born Prince Khurram. He was known as Shah Jahan, which means king of the world. After his father died and a fight for power among his brothers, Shah Jahan declared himself emperor in 1628. He had a great love for art, especially architecture. During his reign, he had a passion for building extravagant buildings and monuments, including the Taj Mahal. Arjumand Banu Begum, born to a Persian nobleman, was known as Mumtaz Mahal, which means chosen one of the palace. She was extremely beautiful. The poets at Agra's Mughal court said, quote, "Her beauty was such that the moon hid its face in shame before her." Close quote. In 1612, Shah Jahan and Mumtaz Mahal were married. Shah Jahan and Mumtaz Mahal were very much in love. She was his favorite wife. He was the one that called her Mumtaz Mahal, the chosen one of the palace. She would travel with him everywhere, including military campaigns. Together they had 14 children in their 19 years of marriage. On June 17, 1631, Shah Jahan was devastated when Mumtaz Mahal lost her life during the birth of her 14th child. He mourned for a year, and it is said that when he returned, quote, his hair had turned white and his face ravaged with grief and sadness. Close quote. Mumtaz Mahal was originally buried in a walled garden along the Tapti River in Burnapur. Later she was moved to a small building on the banks of the Yamuna River, and here she remained until Shah Jahan completed the Taj Mahal. Shah Jahan wanted his wife to have the most beautiful tomb ever constructed. He took his love for art and used his wealth to create a masterpiece. The design for the Taj Mahal comes from Shah Jahan's vision of what Mumtaz Mahal's home in paradise would look like. It consists of architectural and artistic styles from Islam, India, Persia, Ottoman, and Turkey. Construction began in 1632 and was completed in 1648. That's 16 years. The Taj Mahal is built along the Yamuna River. This was across the river from Shah Jahan's royal palace at Agra. To create the Taj Mahal, Shah Jahan employed more than 20,000 stone carvers, masons, artists to work under a team of architects. They came from all over the region, including India, Persia, Europe, and the Ottoman Empire. The Taj Mahal was constructed with white marble from Rajasthan, India, the turquoise from Tibet, lapis lazuli from Afghanistan, jade and crystal from China, and sapphire from Sri Lanka and Arabia. There were so many materials that over 1,000 elephants were used to transport them into Agra. The center dome is 240 feet high. 4 smaller domes surround the center, and there are 4 minarets or thin towers on the corners. On both sides of the Taj Mahal, there are 2 red sandstone buildings, a mosque on the west side and a former guest house on the east. The Taj Mahal can be magical. Because it was constructed with white marble, it reflects the sky, so the color of the monument appears to change colors throughout the day. In the early morning of the sunrise, the Taj Mahal looks pinkish, milky white during the middle of the day, golden at sunset, and silver under the moon. The interior of the Taj Mahal has the same beauty and detail as the exterior. There is an octagonal marble chamber adorned with carvings and semi-precious stones. Here lies the cenotaphs, or false tombs of Shah Jahan and Mumtaz Mahal. Their actual sarcophagi are below at the garden level. Thank you for watching the presentation.